Hey guys, today I am telling you some basic English phrases that you use in your daily life. Let's start. यहाँ खाना बंद करो. Stop eating here. Stop eating here. यहाँ खाना बंद करो. Stop eating here. Stop eating here. जाओ और खेलो. Go and play. Go and play. जाओ और खेलो. Go and play. Go and play. काम मुकम्मल करें. Complete the work. Complete the work. काम मुकम्मल करें. Complete the work. Complete the work. इसे मत छूना. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. इसे मत छूना. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. मसला हल करो. Solve the problem. Solve the problem. मसला हल करो. Solve the problem. Solve the problem. इसे सजा दो. Punish him. इसे सजा दो. Punish him. Wash the dishes. प्लेटों को धो लो. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. प्लेटों को धो लो. Wash the dishes. बराए करम इसकी वजाहत करें. Please explain this. बराए करम इसकी वजाहत करें. Please explain this. सीटी बजाना बंद करो. Stop whistling. Stop whistling. सीटी बजाना बंद करो. Stop whistling. Stop whistling. पंखा ऑन करें. Turn the fan on. Turn the fan on. पंखा चला दो. Turn the fan on. ग्रॉसरी खरीदें. Buy the groceries. ग्रॉसरी खरीदें. Buy the groceries. सब्जियां काट लें. Cut the vegetables. सब्जियां काट लें. Cut the vegetables. रोशनी को बंद कर दें. Turn off the light. रोशनी को बंद कर दें. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. गाड़ी वहीं खड़ी करो. Park the car over there. गाड़ी वहीं खड़ी करो. Park the car over there. इस सवाल को हल करें. Solve this question. इस सवाल को हल करें. Solve this question. इंग्लिश में बात करो. Speak in English. Speak in English. इंग्लिश में बात करो. Speak in English. Speak in English. इस पर इल्ज़ाम ना लगाएं. Don't blame her. लड़की के लिए कहना है Don't blame her. अगर लड़का है तो कहना है Don't blame him. आप जिम्मेदार हैं. You are responsible. आप जिम्मेदार हैं. You are responsible. तुम अपना काम करो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. तुम अपना काम करो. Mind your own business. पैसे बचाएं. Save money. पैसे बचाएं. Save money. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.